Hi friends, this video shows how to reset mobile data settings and fix all mobile data issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to general, tap here. Go down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Here we have to select reset network settings. Tap here. Enter screen lock password. Then tap on reset network settings. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the network settings. Tap on this reset network settings. Please wait. Okay, reset operation has been completed. Enter screen lock password. Done. So this way we can reset mobile data settings and fix all mobile data issues. After this reset operation, you can check mobile data. That should work. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.